a good day. Caught a Papio. It's a little windy out here, so we'll have to reposition. It's a little tricky when it gets really windy like this. You want to try as much as possible to throw in the direction of the wind, because if not, you're going to be in some trouble. But still hot. It's around it's 4:45 p.m. So, all right. Callan is 8 years old, and he got his own little fishing rig. I gave him my floater over here, and he caught a. What'd you catch? Yeah, hold up for the camera. It's my nephew here. Oh my gosh! Tell everyone what kind of fish this is.
A mono.
Wow, is that a goatfish?
Yep.
Yeah, he's usually pretty much there. These are like bottom, pretty shallow around here. Whenever it's shallow, you want to try and stay away from going too slow in the retrieve. They were in South Kohala. But we do what? Oh, what'd you catch? Did you throw it back in? Okay. It's our dog. Loving the day at the beach. The rest of the fam right here. Got my pole up in this tree. Chilling. This guy's all fishing. This guy's all stoked. He just caught his first fish on his pole, brand new pole. That guy just got snagged. Hiram snag machine. Callan. This guy's like probably fell down like 4 or 5 times underneath the water, heading on his way out there. It's a real nice day. There's Papio over there. Looks like he probably got snagged as well. Action! Well, it's your turn. Oh, he's actually gonna try it. Oh really?
Because I gotta work on my tuck before I try that again.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. I'll catch it on video and everything. Plus, I'll snap a pic once they're upside down. Oh. Are we all in? Oh! Oh. All in, all in. Oh! Okay, go, bro. All you. Go, go. Watch this guy, watch. Like eating candy bars. Holy smoke! Come on, bro. Are you in? No, I was videoing them do backflips up the tree. Go. We just finished a good day here. There's family photos right now. Okay, so apparently we're gonna be taking some family photos. Okay, wait, are you guys ready?
No. Mine was blue.
Hey, don't do that.
Dude, what are you doing, Callan?
They're gonna shut down the guys, go to the edge. First user for now. So everybody. That was an event. I was trying to gather everyone for pictures and stuff like that. These guys are crazy.
He's like,
Say hi, look.
hi, Seth.
Say, hey, what's up? Aloha. Okay, we're on video now. Okay, say bye to everyone in Hawaii.
Wait, she's going.
Yeah, you're going. Where are you going?
I'm going to Utah.
To do what again?
Make more money.
Yay. She'll be back in 6 months. She's a clown like that. Are you excited about the move, bro? You look very excited.
That's about as excited as you get.
We're always thinking.
See you winning.
Go over here, your shoes in there. No fish, get something solid. What's wrong with you?
Hey guys! Subscribe, like, and follow.
What is that again?
Subscribe, like, and follow. Subscribe, like,
Our boss. Oh, Yanni? Yeah. Okay, shoot.
Did you guys release the fish already?
No, they took
Someone must have took it. Tell everyone about the fish you caught.
I got a moana.
What is a moano?
It's a fish.
Goatfish.
And it was fighting pretty normal.
And was it a pretty good fight?
Yeah.
How big was the fish about? Show us with your hands.
As big as your
Like that? Whoa! That's a pretty good fish. Alright, good stuff, Steve. Alright, everybody, subscribe.
Alright, everybody, subscribe.
Yeah.